To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn the difference between the soft C and the hard C. Soft C. The soft C makes a S sound. The letter C makes a soft C sound when it's followed by the letters E, I, or Y. This is the general rule for most words. However, remember that there are many exceptions in English. Ice, ice. Rice, rice. Face, face. Mice, mice. The mice eat rice. The mice eat rice. The hard C makes a K sound. The letter C makes a hard K sound when it's followed by the letters A, O, or U. This is the general rule for most words. However, remember that there are many exceptions in English. Cat, cat. Car, car. Cake, cake. Cub, cub. The cat and the cub like the cake. The cat and the cub like the cake.